Hello friends, welcome to the video number 7, Servo motor control. Open the code from Pratham folder. Pratham board has two dedicated ports for servo, but you can connect multiple servos as per the Arduino reference. So this is the code. These two pins are dedicated for Arduino servo control. The header function. These are two libraries, two functions been used for servo motor. These two servos are being used, pin number 11 and pin number 10. So this is the code in which we are rotating our servo from 0 to 180 degree and 180 degree to the 0, vice versa. Let's upload the code and see the test result. So power up your Pratham and switch it on. You can test micro gear servo on this board. You can connect Java servo also. So this is the connections you have to make. Switch it on. The servo will rotate for 180 degree, nearby 180 degree, because all are the Chinese servos are there. Let's see the port, second port. So same code will be run for both the servos.